Guys, I can recommend Highland Hotel here in Kapchora. They are amazing hosts. I delayed to come for breakfast, but still they were able to give it to me. So this is the dining where I'm seated. So let me sip on it. This is Highland tea bags. Maybe they are made here. And they have also drinking chocolate. So it is what I'm going to have for my breakfast. Then I sign out. Guys, can you imagine they serve it with hot katogo? Guys, if you come to Uganda, this is our breakfast. Like, this is matoke mixed with Irish and beef. So this is my cup of tea for breakfast. Guys, I don't know whether I told you how much I paid here for bed and breakfast, but it is about $10. But let me do the math well, like, yes, 40,000 Uganda shillings, put it in dollars, guys. But let me tag it here. So guys, let me test and I tell you how it tastes. I can't wait to sip on my chocolates. Wow, in a long while I've not drunk chocolate, so this is my delicious breakfast. Wow, I am so amazed. Like, they give you katogo. Which is coming up next. Stay with us. Guys, look. So yummy. So tasty, guys. Like, this is not just food, just, I am telling you that the truth. This katogo is amazing, and I'm going to finish the whole plate because I am hungry. Like a hungry lion, guys. I am waiting for my border guy. They have given me this flyer. Oh, okay. Let me turn the camera so that you pick the details. Yeah, it is an amazing guest house. I found peace here. It is safe and the security is guaranteed, like it is fenced off on a hill. Yeah, it is a place that you can travel and have your accommodation on a good budget, not high end, like it is affordable, though affordable is relative, but I mean, so I'm waiting. Yeah, so this is where I am seated trying to charge, guys. I want battery 100%. Yeah, I did my morning jog, so I am so thirsty. I am sipping on water, but I feel I am taking and it is not settling where I want it to settle. I don't know if you understand what I am feeling right now. Like, I'm so thirsty regardless of even taking water. Yeah, so it was an amazing stay here at Highland. So these are the details. What they offer: free Wi-Fi is keyword for me, though here it is numberless. If you go somewhere and they offer you free Wi-Fi, to me that is a deal. Here, hot water shower, secure parking space, recreational gardens, executive accommodation. What's up, my beautiful people? How are you all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are going to watch this from. This is my last day in this space. Wow, I slept here and I didn't see this art piece. I didn't see this beautiful art piece of an elephant and its kids. The baby of the elephant is called a what? Yeah, this is where I was sleeping. A simple table, a simple chair. I think I gave you a room tour in the previous video, a glimpse of the bathroom and toilet. And this goes for $10, guys. $10 bed and breakfast. So yeah, I am out. Let me show you. My luggage is already here. So I am setting out for a new adventure. So watch full length. You see what I am about to do, guys. I am set. I'm set to do this, guys. So watch. It is an adventure. Like, wait, keep watching to the end and you see how I take it on. Let me get my bag. This is my handbag. This is my tripod. Yeah, and shades. And I am charging right here. I need battery. I don't know how I'm going to do this because it is a long day. I need full batteries on my camera and on my phone. So let's go, guys. Right now I'm still in a distance, but we are going there. Wow, this is beautiful. Sipi River is down here. This is the bridge over the Sipi River, and those are Sipi waterfalls. I think, yeah, down here. This is the river coming from those waterfalls. It's where we are going, guys. So brace yourself. We are here. Hello, guys. I'm saying hello to the boys in the forest. So let me see where to begin from. So guys, right here where I am, this is Sipi Heritage Lodge. I hope I'm speaking it right, and it is like one of the entrances where you can do the waterfall hiking. So be ready. This is how it looks on the inside. So African, so beautiful. Look at the art. Wow, so beautiful. The reception over there. So this is the dining. If you want to spend some time here in these couches, let me sit here and enjoy. So guys, yeah, you are super welcome to Sipi Falls. So this is how it looks. It is, the ambience is out of this world. The space is amazing. So yeah, a mini library here. Yeah, some African containers, a calabash and all, and a mini library. So I'm waiting for my tour guide of the day so that he takes me around. Yeah, so give the video a like, comment, share and like. Guys, we are about to set off in a minute. Guys, you can already hear the sound of waters. Yeah, so if you want, you can sit here for an evening and chill here. Let me sit a bit. And yeah, guys, this is it. This is the life that we are meant to live. If you have some bit of money, always find time to chill, to find time to rest. And yeah, guys, wow, there are cottages right here. Like, those are the accommodation rooms. They have told me it begins from $150. This is all yours. You can sleep here at $150. Yeah, so me, I am here just to get the feel of the views of the rapids, of the waterfalls. So yeah, let's go in and see what the world has to offer. Mother Nature is calling. So you hear the sound of the waters. So calming, so like relaxing, refreshing. Yeah, so you need to come to Africa, guys, for anything like a holiday, a vacation. This is it, to sit under these rainforest trees. Yeah, so I'm going to take you in the rapids. I see how beautiful they are. Yeah, I'm here for one day again. This is Sipi Falls, so I'm going to do an adventure for one solid day. Then I'll head you to another district, that is Mbale. I have a party there. That's why I am in the eastern side of Uganda. Guys, me, I think my life is travel, and where I am is where I show you. I don't travel to look for contents. I be doing my other things, then I show you my life, how it goes. Yeah, so here I came specifically for a party, a wedding party. My daughter is wedding, so tomorrow I'll be taking you in that. How does a mother-in-law do content? Guys, I even don't know how to do this. Tomorrow I will be a mother-in-law, yet a content creator. How do the two mix? Yeah, so that is it. Guys, we are set. This is the walking stick. Organic natural bamboo walking stick. I wish I had a way of carrying it home. So this is the reception of, you said this hotel is Sipi Heritage Lodge, guys. So here we begin our hiking. Guys, give the video a like, because man, it is not a joke. My walking stick, guys. I will reach somewhere and maybe I throw it, because the weight already I will not need any weight. Wow, so let's go. I have a team. Guys, say hello.
Hello.
I have a team of young boys who are going to take me up. I hope I will reach to the most top waterfall. Right now we are at this bridge. Wow.
So you're first going to take one pic from there.
Okay, guys, look.
Video no mina. Perfect. Lái. Ủa sao mày luôn rồi. Sipi Falls!
Sipi Falls it is, guys. Oh, I'm seeing some guys over there at the top.
Yeah.
Hopefully we shall find them.
Yeah.
Wow. Guys, we are on the bridge crossing. Wow. So guys, the hike is on. Hopefully we shall reach at the top. Actually, they provide some stair kind of steps, yeah, to avoid tripping down. Yep. Stay, observe, don't, whatever, watch, don't, guys. Every don't is there, so you know those are safety precautions that I have to take while you are hiking these mountains. Wow. Guys, remember I still have the fatigue for running at national high altitude training center.
That is the
Yeah, Terriet. I was there and I jogged from Kapchorga town to the center.
center.
Yes.
Oh.
It was crazy. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
I'm okay. So guys, I'm here taking this one down as well. With wrong shoes, of course. These are not hiking shoes. So I'm sliding a bit.
Yeah.
Guys, look at these rocks.
Give me your hand.
Yeah, guys, I need help right
All right.
now. The thing is steep.
Very slippery.
Yeah. Guys, I have amazing tour guides.
Yes, 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 yes.
Guys, I don't know if I didn't have help, whether I would make it to the top.
We're not going to manage.
Whoa!
Okay.
Last one.
Take care.
Yeah. Then, one is
No. Oh, don't compare.
guys, you up eating these in the hills of Kabara. Oh, guys. You are even not ready. Look. It reminds me my childhood times. We used to hunt these. We call them in our language hurutu.
Burutu. For us, we call matunda. Hey.
But matunda is normal passion fruit.
Huh?
Normal passion fruit.
Hey.
Right. This is, they are white inside. You see that? But very tasty. They have some aromatic taste.
No. Mana mam?
Wow.
Ini apa sih mungut? Mana kami itu di takkan kita menjelak kalau lu menjelak itu ruit.
Target it. If you know it in English,
Aku anti dia le.
put it in the comment section. Guys.
Di video nonyo. Ini second waterfall.
Let me see whether those guys are seeing me, guys.
Ah, jadi jalan.
They have seen me.
Eh?
I thought this was salt, but they have told me no, it is not salt. They are crystals.
These are the crystal stones from the cave.
Ah,
Actually, it's used for making earrings, necklaces, decoration, and for the practical studies.
okay.
And also for membership.
Ah, so I can buy one for
Yeah,
other.
you can buy one, support the community.
Guys, see how it looks inside. Wow. So they are crystal stones. We shall go where they are.
After, you can go there.
Okay. Yeah. Here we are. to get under this crazy waterfall. Pray for me, guys. Oh, there is a rainbow here. A rainbow. I'm bathing with a rainbow. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Amazing experience. I'm being massaged right here. The rainbow down here. Guys. Are we going to pass through the same way?
No.
No. Guys, I thought we were going to come back here. But if there is another route,
We are going to use a different way.
yeah, that is better. Guys, it is a real struggle. But if you know Secret to the world, you know that I am able to do this, guys. I'm able to do this, not drawing back. Look at the view. There is a mountain there, and the extreme is a lowland. I think that is below sea level. Whew. Guys.
You're almost up.
Welcome back.
But
Now traffic jam.
yung pasi na kiri. Para apa tuh? Dari itu. Apalagi
We have managed the bigger ones, don't worry.
No words can explain this, guys. No words can explain this. Get into the bus and come to Sipi Falls. Pay that air ticket and come to Uganda and tell them I want to go to Eastern route at Sipi Falls. You will be
Kapchorwa.
amazed.
You're from where?
From Uganda.
Hey, okay.
Guys, look at those rapids, and we are getting there in a few minutes. Whoa, guys. Right here. Wow. Look at these rapids, guys. They are priceless, like priceless. Apart from God providing for us refuge, there is nothing. You can't stop them, you can't control them. And here we are, enjoying them here in Sipi Falls. Look at this. So beautiful. Day in, day out. Day in, day out. Day and night, non-stop. Like it is this beautiful. Man, what can I say? So beautiful. the first time I have got you cinematic scenes. What are you even talking about? Just give the video a like, comment, subscribe. Guys, I can't have enough of this. Wow. I wonder what is at the top. Where does the water come from? Is there a river or something?
There's a river.
There is a river that flows up to here.
Yeah, and this water comes from Mount Elgon.
Ah,
These
okay,
are the
guys.
slopes of Mount Elgon.
You have heard, guys, like the slopes of Mount Elgon keep dropping to make rapids or waterfalls as well. Look.
To reach Mount Elgon, you walk for 7 days.
But I walked there for 3 hours.
3 hours.
Okay, they told me at the high altitude training center is like high altitude, like the highest.
Yes.
So guys, you have heard. But yeah, I've seen it on internet that if you go through Mbale to walk to the top of Mount Elgon, it takes 6 days. But me, I did it for 3 hours via Tibet National High Altitude Training Center.
This is the last climbing.
The final climbing, I'm literally dropping.
Yes.
Wow. Finally, guys.
We are on top.
We are at the top. Guys, let me step in again. So we are at the top. This is the water that forms every waterfall that you have seen. So they come, the river comes from Elgon and meets here a cliff, and it forms the water rapids.
You can come this side.
Oh yes, let me cross.
Give me the hand.
Wow!
Everything down.
Wow, guys, look at this beautiful thing here.
We are from down that side.
Down there. Whoa! The water is so cold. Oh my God. So I think people come and enjoy this cool breeze. I doubt whether these people feel like cold. I mean, I wonder whether these people feel like hot. In the hot season, you come and drown here, guys, and you enjoy the beautiful scenes, the beautiful views of Uganda. Look at all this, guys. So guys, I'm chilling by the riverside and my feet are here in the water. So cold. Oh my God, I'm freezing. I'm just enjoying this. Wow. I want to stay here, guys. That is the feel. Like I have no issues, no problems in the world. I'm drowning. So look at this, and the final look, guys. The final look right here. All right, bye guys. I'll see you again and again. Bye. Woohoo! Hear the sound of many waters. It is priceless. Okay guys, bye bye. I'll see you. So right now I am crossing by this too steep bridge and this is the water that goes down and forms all those rapids. Right now we are at the top And the tour guide has told me, guys, say hello, this is my tour
Hello.
guide. Yeah, he has said that this water comes from Mount Elgon. Then it comes meeting cliffs which make the waterfalls, and if they are short stones like this, it becomes the rapids as you have seen them. So right now we have crossed it, and this water is going down to the waterfalls. And right here, guys, my neighbors are enjoying. This is the cow feeds banana stems, so they are enjoying there. Look, I always bring you live stories. I don't know much of editing, so don't expect any biros, what are they called, billows or cinematic kind of filming. Don't expect those ones, but today I tried, guys. I have brought you cinematic cinematic video filming. So guys, it was fun going up, and I was feeling like it is hard to go up, but even going down is not becoming any easier. But we can do this. I have a help of a stick. I have a help of tour guides, so we are all in.
Simon.
Yeah, Simon is up here.
Ronald.
And Ronnie is down here. So guys, it was a great experience. It was so fun. I can't express it enough. You know, guys, I don't like to watch someone telling me, come you guys, this is amazing. You come in and you look for what is amazing and you don't see it. So I'm not going to emphasize for you, but just know this is amazing.
Yes.
This is
Amazing.
amazing. Like, it is worth the experience. It is worth the value for your money. So you should come. You should be here anytime. Yeah, so subscribe, guys, if you haven't, so that you don't miss any new uploads. Expect much from this channel. As always, I always take you where I go for you to see. Ooh, guys, this was I can't even say, but let us go. I'll talk to you at the hotel, guys. Let me concentrate on this slope. I'm about to tell these guys that we should come the other way.
Yeah, we know.
Fine, how
Mama
are
is
you?
greeting you.
How are you? I'm here struggling with your heels. They are amazing. Wow. Wow. Guys, I'm making it to the bottom. Finally, we have the road. That's the road.
Yeah, we are now at the road.
Yeah. Finally, we are here, guys. At the road, finally.
We made it.
We made it. So guys, this is a Sipi Heritage Lodge. When you enter, this is how you come. And of course, Here it is. Wow, Sipi. Welcome to Sipi Heritage Lodge, Mount Elgon, 1,795 altitude. So yeah, just know. And let me first sit in the gardens, then I get back to you guys and I give you full story. Guys, this is where it all began and I am back. Oh, this place is breathtaking. Now, I never Maraga use words. I don't Maraga use words. What English is that? Like, I don't misuse words. When I tell you that something is beautiful, just know it is beautiful for me. Yeah. So this is where I started my hike, Sipi Heritage Lodge. Simon was my tour guide and Ronnie. They were amazing team, like support system, guys.